Welcome back. Rico Moneybags here with another one. This is the Moneybag Alert. I'm doing this because the Kusama community really stepped up to a short video that I did using the bydfi. I saw this one making some moves. So make sure you guys tap in with the Moneybags Mansion down below. That's a Telegram link to the Moneybags Mansion where all these hot plays are going to be in there. Also, check in with my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be more Kusama videos as they come out. And we're going to do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. So if you're interested in the prices of Kusama and that breakout that I did in the short video, make sure to stay tuned to the end. But we're going to be talking about parachains are here. So we're learning this together and see what it's all about. The scalable multi-chain network for radical innovation. Like I said, this one's coming out because I posted a short. I seen this one moving on bydfi. There's a link down below. If you want to support the channel, use that link and you'll get up to $150 where you guys can buy Kusama or maybe withdraw it and buy the token that you're bullish on. But nonetheless, it's got so many likes and so many views on that short video that I said, you know what, let me make a long form content video of this. So this is for this community. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We got unprecedented interoperability and scalability for blockchain developers who want to quickly push the limits of what's possible. Built using Substrate with nearly the same code base as industry-leading multi-chain infrastructure as Kusama's cousin, Polkadot. So this one's going to be associated in one way or another with Polkadot, and you guys are going to see exactly why. So origin of Kusama, the relationship between the society and technology has deteriorated to the point where large entities routinely stretch and overstep their authority. Kusama is a network built as a risk-taking, fast-moving canary in the coal mine or its cousin Polkadot. It's a living platform built for change agents to take back control, spark innovation, and disrupt the status quo. Anything that disrupts the status quo is going to have a breakout like in these prices. We'll take a peek at it real quick, but that's what we're going to be talking about at the end. So you definitely want to stay tuned to the end, watch to the end, but we should find out what this is all about and why these prices are moving like that so we can understand and make an informed decision on our investments. Of course, not financial advice, but let's at least be informed investors, right? Kusama is a scalable network of specialized blockchain built using Substrate and nearly the same code base as Polkadot. The network is experimental development environment for teams who want to move fast and innovate on Kusama or prepare for the development on Polkadot. Okay, Kusama was founded in 2019 by Gavin Wood, founder of Polkadot and co-founder of former CTO of Ethereum. So that's pretty bullish right there. So let's continue. We got fast iteration. So move fast and ship your product. Kusama's risk-taking and nimble mentality allows developers to move swiftly through the governance and upgrade process, enabling rapid process and growth. Low economic barriers. Launch your custom blockchain. So this is helping people launch their blockchain. This is why this is so bullish. Parachain project with low barriers to entry, ideal for lean startups looking to move fast and iterate. Advanced technology, build on the next generation sharded multi-chain network while employing the newest features before they are deployed on Polkadot. So this is like a really good way to make sure everything's running properly and getting ready for that push on Polkadot. Our governance, open governance, Kusama is owned and governed by a community of network participants who vote on control the evolution of the network. Have a voice and make your mark in the evolution of the network. Engage community. Okay, so they're engaged. Leverage Polkadot's global brand and developer community for your parachain, parathread, and or your DApp, decentralized application. This right here, let me know if you guys are part of the Polkadot community or if you're part of the Kusama. Let me know if you found out about Kusama through Polkadot or if you found out about Polkadot through Kusama down in the comments down below, or let me know if you want to see a Polkadot video or we'll do that. So valuable experience for teams looking to move to Polkadot after fine-tuning on Kusama. Begin building your community and brand on Kusama before deployment. This is very interesting. Let me know if you guys want to tap in and experiment with this. We got the innovation. We're going to do a deep dive on this one, and then we'll get to these prices. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Use the links down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if you support this channel. So we have innovation. Kusama is built by the same team as Polkadot, using nearly the same code and tools. The network places the latest tech from parity technologies and Web3 foundations in the hands of developers even before features make it to the Polkadot blockchain. So this is like being in very early on something that could really explode on the Polkadot blockchain. So scalability, and I'm sure we're gonna have some stories, especially like I said, with these prices like this, something's going on. So most likely something's about to happen, or there's a token or something associated with Kusama. If I'm not sure, if you guys know, let me know. But something has happened why these prices are breaking out like this. So we got scalability, which is important, of course. Kusama's sharded blockchains and open governance provide a scalable and future-proof infrastructure for businesses, marketplaces, and applications to deploy and mature. Interoperability. Kusama brings multi-blockchains together into one sharded network, freeing developers, making it easier for them, developers, from silos created by legacy blockchain networks. So customization. With Substrate, developers can build their own app-specific blockchain and connect it to Kusama. So that is pretty bullish right there. Let me know if there's some developers that want to mingle with this. If you guys got a project on this, if you guys are already working with this, let me know and I'll get some videos out. If you know of a project that's not getting the right exposure and they're already, acting like the canary in the coal mine, let me know so we can get some videos out. So we got develop on Canary Network. Many teams will choose Kusama for their dApp or parachain and remain exclusively on Kusama. Other teams will join Kusama and as a temporary preparation ground for development and on Polkadot. Okay, so that's what we got for them. We got some build with Substrate. I'm not a coder, so I'm not sure with that. We got Take Flight, the Kusama docs, learn Substrate. So this is something I'm going to tap into. We got validate, start validation, technical updates, join the ambassador program, nominate a validator. So we got some things that we'll do a deeper dive into. Let me know which one of these you guys want me to dig into, but I'm gonna do some of this on my own time. Definitely the Substrate and see what's going on with this one. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and do some price predictions and see what we got. We got a breakout on the daily, right? So we're gonna get our horizontal lines and we're gonna see where we're at. We're gonna start off on the daily chart, horizontal lines, tap out this all-time high, and then we're gonna start working our way down after we get these initial support and resistance, these little channels, these range trading. That's what's happening in these sections. And then we'll start to work our way down and layer this chart up, and we can even add some indicators. For those who are new to the channel, if you guys are interested, we can see that first red candle. Also head over to the candles, make sure they're set on Heikin-Ashi. I like these a lot better because if we go to the regular candles, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, you can see that gets a little bit harder to see as far as that goes compared to if you had the Heikin-Ashi candles. It's a lot easier to identify these trends. This is really nice. I like bydfi, the link's down below. So let's go ahead and continue to layer this chart up, and we'll add some indicators as well. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart, see what's going on. Shrink the screen back down right here, and let's add these indicators, and we'll add the MACD right here. Add the MACD. Got some of these saved, right? The relative strength index, and the VWAP is super powerful. VWAP is super powerful. I don't want to clutter it up too much, but this is where we're at, and we're going to start to continue to layer this chart down and see where we're going to get in to fit in. So, you want to wait for a pullback. Obviously, when there's a big push like that, there's going to be a pullback eventually. So you want to just kind of wait for that. I would honestly, now that I'm looking at this, I would look at this price range right here, $56, but still that's kind of pushing it. I would rather see a pushback down to like the 40s, be down in this range right here. This little channel. That is around $48, if not the $32 range. There is going to be a pullback, but there will be a pushback up to the top. But we can see that, there's this pullback happening right now. So we're looking at $56.37. We're looking at $38, and then $32 are going to be those prices. If you're part of this community, you guys want me to go into a deeper dive with Kusama, let me know down in the comments down below. We'll do a deep dive on this, or projects that are already launched on that parachain or Polkadot, fam. Let me know. If you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.